Hello viewers, my name is Imran. Welcome to my channel, Imran The Analyst. Today we are going to learn about the four important text joining functions in Excel. So the first one is concatenate. It does join the text elements together, and the second one is which we are going to learn is concatenate operator, that's ampersand. Let me show you over here. Let me type. And the third one is concat function, which is never. If you have Excel 2016 and later, then you can use this function. And the fourth one is text join. So let's get started. Let me open this sheet. So I have these two columns, document number and payment number. So I have to join these together and make something like this one. So how I can do that? If I had one or two columns, then I could do it manually, but there are thousands of rows. So I will use concatenate function. Let me press is equal to, and let me type concatenate. So you can see the first one is concate. This is new version, and I will use this concatenate. If you have Excel 2016 and prior versions, then you can use this function. Let me press enter. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me type is equal to concatenate. I will press down arrow key, then I will press tab. So now I have to provide the arguments. Let me select the first one, then I will click comma, then I need to give it the underscore. I need underscore in between these two numbers. Then I will click double quotation mark, underscore, and close quotation mark, comma, and the next text, which will be this one, and I will close these brackets and enter. So you can see this is what I need. It's very similar to this one. So to copy this formula, what I will do, I'll bring my mouse cursor over here, then I will double. So the formula copied from this cell down to the end of my sheet, my text. Let me scroll down. So you can see the formula copied over here. You can see the formula over here in the formula bar. So this is the first function. The next function to join text we will learn is concatenate operator, which is ampersand, this one. Okay, let me select the first cell. So what I need, I have to combine these three columns, text in these three columns. What I will do, I will press is equal to, then I will select the first text, then I will type ampersand, then I will select the second text, then I will press the ampersand, then I will select the third text, enter. So you can see it combined all these three columns. How I can copy this formula to the end of my sheet? Let me bring my mouse cursor over here and I will double click. So my formula copied to the end of this sheet, which you can see over here, but this is not efficient formula. So we have a new formula that's called concat function is equal to concat. So this, if you have Excel 2016 and new, then you can use this formula. Let me press tab, then I have to provide the three arguments. So I simply, because they are in adjacent to each other, I simply drag and drop. So you can see it can take arguments in form of, let me press, okay. So you can see I can give arguments by selecting three columns and close this bracket and press enter. You can see it copied the formula, sorry, so it concatenated all these three columns, and when I double click, it will copy formula to the end of my sheet, end of my data. Sometimes if I need to add underscore between these three columns, these three texts, pieces of text, then I have to use another formula. So let me delete this. In this scenario I have to use text join, which is advanced formula. So you can do a lot of things over here. So what I will do is equal to, I will type is equal to, I'll write text join. You can see over here I can provide the delimiter. So I want to give the hyphen, then I have to, okay, there's option. Should I ignore the empty cells? Yes, I will. Okay, if there are empty cells, I don't need the hyphens two times. Then in the third argument I have to provide it the text. So simply I will select these three pieces of text and I will close the bracket and I will press enter. So you can see I have the first number, then a hyphen, then the second number, then hyphen, then the third one. So simply I will double click. So this formula copy it to the end of my data. So in this video we learn about the three main functions to join text or data in 3 columns or 2 columns, etc. It's up to you. The first one was concatenate, then second one was concatenate operator, which is this one. Then we learn about the new function concate, then more advanced function text join. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.